I did. I'm like, guess I know what to do.
A little bit late now, but...
All right, then please make sure you buckle up those safety straps. Everybody needs a safety strap. Or they wear a big bun or a little bun.
I'm going to drop you off. So, yoo-hoo, hello everybody. It's me, Heimlich. I'm a cute little choo-choo train, and I want you to be safe. So pretty please stay seated with your hands, arms bent, all your legs, and all your feet inside while I take you on my fun little ride. And Mama and Papa, please watch your children. Para tu seguridad, permanezcan sentados con sus manos, piernas y pies dentro de esta linda oruguita. Y por favor, cuidar muy bien. My stomach is so empty. Hey, help me to go find something to eat. Come on, everybody, here we go. I see a big carrot. Carrots are orange, just like candy corn. Ooh. Mama says carrots are good for my eyes, but I don't want to put carrots in my eyes. I have to eat lots of fruit if I want to grow up to be a beautiful butterfly. Oh, now that's a good flavor. That's yummy. Hello. Watermelon. Come with me for the watermelon and taste the beautiful melon. There's a fork in the road. Big way to go. It was a good animal crackers. Oh, I love animal crackers. It smells so yummy in here. My favorite part is animal crackers. All of it. So many goodies. Treats and sweets are my favorite things to eat. Yeah. Mama always says to say, excuse me. Excuse me. Candy corn! I must be in Heimlich heaven.
Oh, with 101 on it,
Oh, I'm so full I cannot go one more step. Please, everybody, to stay seated while I stop and take a little break and digest all this food. I'll be back on my way in just a moment.